Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and today in this brand new video I'll be showing you how to recover your disabled Facebook page. Okay guys, so just like I said, I'll be showing you how to recover your disabled Facebook page in this brand new video. So as we all know, sometimes when running Facebook ads, you can encounter issues whereby Facebook will disable either your ad account, your Facebook account, your business manager, or recently your Facebook page. And now, how do you now recover this page so you can continue to run your ads on your page? And I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video. But before we fully go into this video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's go into this video and you see how you can actually recover your Facebook page instantly when you get disabled. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to your account quality in your business manager, and to do that you just type business.facebook.com/account quality, just like I did. So once you come to your account quality, you can just come here, just exit. Then if you see, this is where you'll be given information about your business manager accounts that has been restricted. So if you look at right here, I have another account called Candlesticks. I just named it anyhow, Candlesticks, you understand? And this is a page, Coach Christian Omeje. As you can see, these two has been restricted, which is today. I woke up and I saw that this ad account and this page has been restricted, and they are under the ad account is under one business manager, while this page is just a page I connected to the business manager. So now I'm trying to show you how to recover pages. I've talked about ad accounts, you follow the same method, but now for page, business manager or ad account, they are almost similar in requesting for review so that they can open up your page. So I just click on the page. So as you can see, this page isn't allowed to advertise because the page didn't comply with one of or more of our advertising policies or standard. So all you just have to do right now is click on request for review. This is just simple. The same way you get your ad account back, you get your business manager back, is the same way you get your page, but most people keep asking questions. So I just have to do this. So that is being said, let me click on the request for review. So now they'll show you something like this. We'll guide you through a few steps to confirm your identity. Then you can request for review if you believe that your page shouldn't be restricted. So one thing you should know, most times when they restrict your page, they will tell you to request to submit your identity. And I've shown you in the previous video how to submit your ID card. It's the same process, but I'm just trying to show you for page. So just click on it. So you can see now the 3 steps involved here. Confirm your identity first, request for review, then complete. You understand? So the first step I'm trying to do now is confirm identity. So I just click on confirm my identity. I'm not a robot. I click on continue. And now they'll show you this, that you should put the email address connected to your account, because they are going to send a login code that you can use to now verify that you own this business manager. But this email you're adding will also be attached to the real Facebook account you are using to run ads, because they'll feel like it is the same person trying to use to run ads. So if it's somebody's Facebook you're using to run ads, you can either collect their email, or you tell them you're going to add another email that you can easily access anytime to their account. You understand? So that being said, I'm going to add an email here. So I've added my email and I'm going to click on send login code. So as you can see now, they have sent me my login code. So all I would do is to go to my email, log in and get that login code. So let me just go over to my email. So once Facebook sends you an email, you will see your login code right here, your email confirmation code. So I'll copy the code. And I'll put it here. Then I'll click on next. So the next now, they are telling me to upload my ID card. So all you just have to do is upload your ID card. So I'm right here. I'll just look for my ID card, then I'll upload it. So as you can see, I've uploaded the ID card related to the account I'm using to run this ad. So what I'm going to do, if you read down here, Facebook says when you submit a copy of your ID card, we'll keep it for more than 30 days, but no more than 1 year. Understand? Unless you opt out. So I just click on it, continue. Then right now, identity sent. The next one, request review of your restricted page. If your page is restricted from advertising. Before, what Facebook does is that you will request for your ID card, you will wait a bit, then you request for review, then they will not tell you if your account has been accepted. But now they have made it much more easy. You just follow the simple steps, the same process, and you will get back your account immediately, because they will confirm the identity, then request the review immediately, then complete it. But now, once you are here, why are you requesting for a review? Ignore the first two and go to the one which says another reason. You understand? So right here, you can now type a reason why your account was disabled. You can tell them, oh, I apologize, my account was disabled for violating your policy. I'm sorry, so and so. It depends on you, but I have a script that I've put out in this course that you can use. There are about 4 scripts inside, and I'll keep adding more as I get success with this part of Facebook. So now I'm going to grab that script and paste it here so that you guys can see how I submit it. So I'm just going to copy it. It's a very simple script, but let me notify you on something. I can use this script to either request for review for my page or my account. So when you're requesting for your page, you should make sure you change this part which says, please look into my account. Instead of saying account, if it's for page, you can say, please look into my page and reactivate it. So I'll just change this place to page. Then I'll copy it again. Then I'll go back to that point and I'll paste it here. So as you can see, abide to your policy, I'm more careful, please look into my page and reactivate it. Then I'll click on send. So right now I'm done. What I would need to do is wait for Facebook, and as you can see, your information has been submitted. We will let you know when we review your information. You understand? It may take up to 48 hours. So you are done. Be it your page, your Facebook business account, your ad account, or even your Facebook account itself. This same method works for all of them. Submit your ID card, request for review, and wait for them within the next 48 hours. And they will get back to you to tell you if your account was activated or not. So now, what do you now do if they tell you that you can no longer use that account to run ads? You can no longer use that page to run ads. What you should do is outsource. Because these days, Facebook is now so strict that they just ban accounts, ban pages, and just ban almost everything, even when you are doing nothing. So what do you now do? Simply outsource. You understand? So if it is your ad account that was disabled and they say you can no longer run ads with that ad account, what should you do? Find another ad account and run ads. You understand? Find another ad account and run ads. Then if it is your page, create a new page. Allow it to be active for at least 2 weeks. Post some content on it. Then try to use it to run ads again. You understand? So that is just what you can do, because once Facebook tell you you can no longer run ads, there's nothing you can do. You just have to move forward. And if they say you can no longer run ads, does it mean that you will stop running ads for your business? No. As we all know, ads are a key factor in business these days. So you just have to outsource and find other means of doing it. So that being said, this is it for this section. I hope you have gotten value. Ensure you implement it when you face issues like this. Okay guys, so that was it on how to recover your disabled Facebook page, and I believe you got value from that session. If you did and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. Also, don't forget to comment, like and share this video to people out there so that they will get to see it and also settle these kind of problems for themselves. So that being said, I will see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.